your girl, Trenda Jones, with more hood news for you. The Philippines just had 2 earthquakes in 10 hours. The first one was like 7.4 magnitude, and 10 hours later, they had a 6.8 magnitude in Davao City. 8 people are confirmed dead, and the earthquake affected 106,000 people. Also, 11 days ago, the Philippines had an earthquake that killed 75 people. Condolences to the people of the Philippines. What's y'all take of that? Leave it in the comments. Reporting from Davao City, I'm your girl, Trenda Jones, bringing you the news worldwide. Stay up and stay connected. Peace, y'all.